Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming in the new Cyber Orange color from Ford, looking very vibrant and will surely stand out, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you do have seating for two more people with the sort of a new take on the classic Ranger jumper seat in the back, which can be lifted up and out to reveal a storage box underneath or just create a flat surface for your cargo, because underneath here you have your jack, and I assume on the other side you just have cargo storage or whatever. And then in the middle you have two USBs as well as a 110-volt power outlet. And then looking on the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at things such as your trip 1 and 2 information, with information that is digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy for said trip, and then you have that for your trip 1 and 2. You can also look at your fuel economy separately, and truck info such as your power distribution status, driver assistance features, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do have your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk here, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in, hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then your media controls, and your climate controls, once again with dual zone front climate. And underneath that you have two 12-volt power outlets, and down here you have two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, your traction control shut off, and your 4x4 selector here. And of course you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside for all of your knickknacks or whatever. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.